Hi and welcome. We are so glad you're here. You've just taken your very first step with us, and let me tell you, this is big. We're super excited for you. I'm Liz, and in just a moment, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of your next steps. First things first, dive into all the information on this page. This is the start of your unstoppable path to digital success. And you're not alone. You're joining tens of thousands of people who have already rewritten their story. And it all started right here. From today, you'll have unlimited 24/7 access to global experts, full video tutorials, and personal mentoring from my husband, Brian, and myself. Wow, I'm buzzing for you. I remember being right where you are now. But don't worry, we've got your back every single step of this journey. Get ready, because the automation in this business will blow your mind. You'll finally have time for what matters most: life, family, security, freedom, making memories, and actually living your dreams. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere. All you need is a phone or laptop and Wi-Fi. Age doesn't matter, experience doesn't matter. All you need is motivation, and us as your mentors. You choose the hours, you choose the pace, you choose the lifestyle. Now here comes the exciting bit. Pop in your name and email, click yes, I'm in, and your journey starts instantly. Oh, and make sure to check your spam or junk folders so you don't miss our emails from BryLiz at BryLiz.com. We are so excited to have you here, and we'll see you on the other side.